Which protein gives blood its red color? Hemoglobin. How many pairs of ribs does a human have? "12. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? O negative. What is the main function of the lungs? Breathe. How much saliva does a human produce daily? (1.5 liter). What is the role of insulin in the body? Regulate sugar. How much blood does an average adult have? (5 liter). Where is the lumbar region located? Lower back. What is another name for the scapula? The clavicle. Name the organ that helps us smell. Nose. How many chromosomes does a human have? (46). Select the term that refers to fats in biology. Lipids. Is the brain a muscle, nerve tissue, bone, or cartilage? Nerve tissue. What is the complete form of the abbreviation DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the primary function of neurons in the human body? Transmit information. How many bones are present in a fully developed adult human skeleton? (206). Which organ in the mouth is essential for detecting taste? Tongue. Which bone forms the protective casing around the brain? The skull. How many legs are present in humans? Two. Which sense is considered absent from sleep? Sleep. Which mineral is critical for strengthening bones? Calcium. What gas is expelled from the lungs during exhalation? Carbon dioxide. What does the abbreviation IQ stand for in intelligence testing? Intelligence quotient. What do nails protect? The tips of fingers and toes. Name the longest bone found in the human body. The femur. How many teeth are in a full adult set? "32. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes. Which sense is associated with the ears? Hearing. What grows on the head to protect the scalp? Hair. How many fingers are on one hand? Five.